Okay guys, welcome to Satun, Thailand. This is my trip to Lipe. This was in November of 2023. It's quite a long ride to get there, nearly 2 hours in a speedboat with a lot of horsepower. The ferry terminal looks a lot like an outdoor airport. That's 1,000 horsepower sitting right there. But that's not my ferry. You see the fish tank in the back? Like I said, looks like an airport. That's my ride right there. Only 750 horsepower.
ได้ยาวไปได้ได้ว่ายน้ำเป็นไงผมว่ายน้ำไม่เป็นหรือผมไม่ยอมว่าย
I'd rather go with this guy, but it would take a long time. This is a purse seiner on their way out for another trip. All those blue plastic barrels on the roof, that's what they store their catch in. They ice them in plastic barrels. You can see lots on the deck as well. Her fish hold will be full of ice at this point. These guys have a huge crew normally. As you can see, there's a lot of these high-speed ferries. Don't know where they all go, but it's not all to Lipe.
Slowly นะครับอย่ารีบกันนะครับ
Here we go. Hammer down. And just like that, we're in paradise. Just the color of the water is amazing.
每个人就可以到这儿来浮潜。
This is a beautiful place. Definitely well worth a visit, but not the easiest place to get to, that's for sure. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.
Thế nào?